Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is October 12th. For some reason, I'm convinced that price is, look at my, what is this called? Trading View, 4 hour. This line I put right here, it is due 1884. It is due to all of this consolidation here. So for some reason, I'm convinced that price will fall from this area, from its 1884. Although I know people have their eyes on 1902. Not saying I won't get there, but I think we'll get a retracement first. And then also all these little choppy candles, I feel like price is just trying to stay afloat right now. And I think we're going to have some reversal. Again, it may be short-lived. We may just fall to this 1854. There's a few levels that get hit first before reversing, of course, but we have 1874. We have this trend line, which would be like 1870. We have 1863. There's a few levels as it falls down, but I do think we should see some pullback from here. That is why we're in a few sales already. What time is it's in 31 minutes. So, and it's Thursday, so we're getting two reports: the initial jobless claims and then core CPI. Let's go look over here really quick at the dollar. See what the dollar is doing. See if it coincides with what I'm saying. Yeah, okay, so the dollar is in a support itself. It broke through it though, but yeah, the dollar could see some pullback from here as well. Let's get a trend line in there. So yes, the dollar itself it could be seeing some pullback. We are gonna go with the sell narrative. Trying to put my stop losses in since I didn't have any set up. Okay, but it's gonna reverse first, which is to appear probably, or not. It just took me out. As always, we may be completely wrong, but the dollar is also again in a support zone. So I can see the dollar pulling back even to, what's this? Well, for sure the channel 106. But yes, I'm convinced that gold will falter. Unlike somebody else is convinced as well. I don't know why my heaviest one is at the bottom. Don't get me wrong. They could pop up. We're just holding the line. We're not beneath the MA. It's created that as a support. I want to put my 44 in a better spot, to be honest. I have a 44 up there. That's what it is, and that we didn't hit yet. Let's do it from there. Maybe. At least it's not way down here. Yeah, but I need to close beneath this MA too. 15 minutes. Unfortunately, the way this is shaping out, it may run up. Well, like the dollar's weakening again. Dang it. MA still holding. Dang it. But this trade is different for me because I feel like I'm playing a level. I saw the level here, this consolidation at 1884. That price has run just a smidget too. And also this exhaustion of these choppy candles that gold is giving off. See all that? But it's elevated, don't get me wrong. But usually when you see all that chop, it's like buyer's exhaustion. I don't know, because price is very bullish also. Okay, that's what I'm trying to say. Price is extremely bullish right now. So it could be wrong. God dang it. I'm just playing. Trend line is holding on the 15 for now. And what this guy said, a dump, then a pump is what I see too, honestly. Sell off first, back to this trend line, and then another pump. So let's see. We have 4 minutes. I'll close out the pending order. Last year we would see if the news came and something like dropped, it just kept dropping like the entire day. News came, if it went up, it just kept flying up the entire day. Like now it'll fall and then reverse completely. Take out the all morning's gains. Like gold has been kind of ridiculous. 2-minute warning. And we exit on that initial drop. We ain't playing. We are not playing. Oh, it's going up. It was a fake out to the upside. Just at the trend line, that's trash. They would have tagged in my 44. Break the trend line, please. I want at least this bottom trend line. Just give us that. Oh yeah, see the dollar flew up, which is what I thought could happen. Let's see how these hold though. Look like they're not trying to hold long, which is unfortunate. 1870 would be clutch. I mean clutch. See, when I trade it, it goes like this. Any other time, it'd just be selling like crazy, right? Like just falling off the map. It's making me wait for it. They say the patient is okay. The dollar is getting to its trend line though. I mean, yeah, so gold ain't gonna fall forever probably. But we're not at 106 yet. I think the dollar could get to 106. Okay, the dollar got to 106. I'm gonna close one. Look, that gave some weight. I closed one and it fell some more. It's like you're on the sailboat. Now you got to get rid of some stuff because the boat is sinking. Take another one. Can't leave no money on the table. That's just not a major trend line. That's just a trend line from this morning. That's why I'm like, I would like us to see us test this trend line. That would be. I want that trend line. Probably being greedy. All right, the dollar has hit its mark that I thought it could go to. Let's see if gold continue to give us that trend line though. They want us to exit without getting our full bank off of it. Come on, sellers. Don't fail us now. Give us 1870. Just 1870.